Hello everyone, it's Notorious from Computer Parts. We will unbox in this video the Sapphire RX550. It's a 4GB GDDR5 variant. DirectX 12 Vulkan FreeSync 2 esports ready real life capture. Alright, the minimum system requirements: PCI Express slot compliant with one X16 graphics slot, 400 watt or greater PSUs is required. Minimum 4 gig of system memory, 8 gig recommended. Supported operating systems include Windows 10 and Windows 7. 64-bit operating system required. And that's about it. Now, let's see what's inside the box. As I said in the previous video, I've chosen this graphics card for my retro gaming build because it's a decent option performance-wise and price-wise. Now, let's see what's inside the box. Okay, let's get this out of the way. Check. Alright, so we have a driver disc, we have a manufacturer info, quick installation guide. Alright, but let's check. No sticker, no Sapphire or Radeon sticker. Just a moment, because I'm a big fan of these stickers. No, seems like you don't have the sticker. Or no, I don't think. No, they didn't put it in the envelope of the CD either. Let's see. Now, let's take a look. Handle PCI Express graphic cards with care to avoid damage during insertion and removal. Alright. Also no sticker here. And voila. This is the graphics card. Pretty small. It has DisplayPort, HDMI, and digital DVI port. Beautiful black PCB. Sapphire cooler. It's a single fan. And yeah, I will install it in the system and we will check it out to see how it handles games. Alright, so until next time, keep in touch.